for one day's fun, a Cybertruck owner have caused damage that will take thousands of dollars, several trips and months to service and repair. Yes, major damage when you off-road the Cybertruck is fun. One wonders how many awesome times it will take to learn the lesson. A Cybertruck drives on off-road trail. Later on breaks the tonneau cover, wheel liner, air dams, and has now discovered fractures in airbag suspension and bed damage. Well, the owner claims to be jumping it, and jumping is very bad for trucks unless they're built for it. Custom off-road build like a trophy truck, not something off the showroom floor. Airbag suspension is okay on roads, but you absolutely cannot use it to go off-road. It doesn't adjust fast enough to accommodate changes. Aside from not adapting quickly like springs or shocks, it can be easily damaged and need an expensive repair.